Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a wallet on Catizen mini app on Telegram, and this tutorial will be quick and simple, so just make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into, and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on Catizen, if you want to go ahead and connect, you're going to click the second button at the bottom where it says earn. After that, this will load up and you will see here a lot of tasks and like wallet check-ins, but what you want to do is go ahead at the top menu bar in the right corner right there. And as you can see, there's connect your Twitter account and also connect a wallet. So you're going to click connect on the wallet option, and now you will have few options: BitGet, Timekeeper. You can also go ahead and just connect a wallet on Telegram, OKX, and so on and so forth, and also Bybit, of course. So for today, let's choose, for example, Timekeeper. You're gonna click on it, then click yes, and it will open up on your Timekeeper. So make sure you have installed it and logged into it. Now you need to click connect a wallet, enter your passcode, and just like that, it's already done. Now your wallet is connected. You will see it here. If you want to disconnect, just click on it and confirm it. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you connect your wallet on Catizen. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.